Fatima ma'am,
Yes, Prashant.
I guess we can start, ma'am.
Great. So guys, have we had the Jenkins installed on your machines?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. So since Prashant did that yesterday, who wants to share your screen and do the rest today? Any volunteer? Anybody who have had Jenkins installed on their machine?
Yes, no one, ma'am. Today also I will take care.
Okay, Prashant, let's start with the screen share then. Can you have this dashboard open?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Just give me a minute. Yes, ma'am. Can you see my screen? Okay.
Yes, I can. Yeah.
Yes.
But have you installed Tomcat in your system?
Yes, ma'am.
Can we go to the Tomcat folder?
Yes, ma'am. Is this, ma'am?
1 second.
Okay.
Correct. Yeah.
Okay.
Right. So now, okay. Can you go to the Jenkins folder?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you see?
Yeah, I can. Can you copy the war file you have? Jenkins war. Just
Okay, ma'am. I copied.
now go to the Tomcat folder.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Right. Now you have to paste it inside the web apps folder.
Web apps.
Just paste it.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I've done it.
Can you go to, can you go to your CMD and start your Tomcat now?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, CMD as an administrator?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Great.
Okay.
You have to go to the location where you have your Tomcat and into the bin folder.
Okay, ma'am. CD. Yes, ma'am. I have been to there.
Great. You are in the web apps folder. Go back to bin folder.
This one, ma'am?
Yeah, now CD bin.
Oh, CD bin. Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Now just run the startup batch file, startup.bat.
Startup.bat. Is right, ma'am? Is this
Correct?
Okay?
Great. So your Tomcat has also started.
Okay.
Your Tomcat is ready.
Okay, ma'am.
Great.
Can I close these?
Yeah, just close off.
Okay, ma'am.
Both of them. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
You can go to the Jenkins terminal now.
Okay, ma'am.
So, are you in the Jenkins terminal?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, if you can see, there are a list of items on the left-hand side of the dashboard. You have something like new item, you have people, you have build history, or manage Jenkins.
Yes, ma'am.
The fourth item, which is manage Jenkins.
Okay, ma'am.
Hi, Suvit. What is the issue? I'm getting installation failures for Jenkins. What is the issue, Suvit?
Actually, I downloaded it, ma'am, but first it says that installation failures or continue without the failed plugins. Some plugins are failed, ma'am.
Can you see which of them have failed?
1 minute. Pipeline and pipeline declarative extension points APIs, pipeline shared Groove libraries, pipeline multi-branch, pipeline GitHub Groovy libraries.
Prashant, can you stop the share of the system for a while? Let's see what Suvit is facing.
Yes, ma'am. We can have multiple share screens, ma'am. He can also start sharing screen.
Can you, Suvit?
Yeah, ma'am. Sure. Ma'am, I'm on phone, ma'am. Just wait.
Okay, okay. No worries.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I'm Sai Kiran.
Yes, Sigrid.
Ma'am, you said to copy that var file in web apps folder, right?
Correct. Yeah.
Ma'am, after that, what should I do?
So it's been copied.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you go and run your startup dot the batch file of your Tomcat?
Ma'am, you said to open CMD, right?
Correct. Yeah. And go to the path Apache Tomcat bin path.
Okay, ma'am.
Sai Kiran, were you able to do?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Suvit?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Okay. So can we see your errors, Suvit, now?
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute.
Sharing? Okay, fine.
Ma'am, can you see? Ma'am,
I can still see. Okay, now I can see. Yes.
uh, ma'am, yeah, here is Jenkins. I'm getting like this, ma'am. Installation failures.
Why is this?
I don't know, ma'am, but
Were there any pop-up blockers or something like that? That should be the case.
oh, ma'am, no. Some plugins don't already it's installed, ma'am. Some plugins only these pipelines and Gradle is not installing, ma'am.
But we will be needing them. We just have to figure out. Can you try to click on any one of them?
No, ma'am, it's not happening.
Is there any information? No.
No, ma'am. Just it's saying some plugins failed to install properly. You may
Okay. Can you do retry? Retry button. No. Not refresh. Retry, yeah.
wait. Ma'am.
Again the same issue. Okay, can we do a continue? Which JDK version have you downloaded? 11?
11, yes, ma'am, 11.
Okay, create a user. Let's see what's the issue. Looks like it's not able to download it because of internet only. I assume it's because of internet. Are you on a hotspot or a Wi-Fi?
Hotspot, ma'am.
Okay. Just create a username for yourself.
Ma'am, it's done, ma'am.
Okay, that will be done. Yeah. Can we go? See, there is one warning right on the dashboard. After the bell icon, there is a warning symbol.
Yes, ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Click on this.
Build on.
Just do a dismiss. So what is that you have used while you selected the, while you were installing, have you used the setup as a local host?
Yes, ma'am, I selected as localhost.
Okay. Due to unsatisfied dependencies, fix these issues. Can you click on correct button there? Okay. Can you go to available? Can you click on the first checkbox, pipeline Groovy, and then click on install? You have installed at the bottom, no? Install without restart. Can you click on the details, any of the details? Scroll down. Okay. What you might have to do is, Suvit, reinstall them, and then you have to this time select your restart option, download and restart.
Okay, ma'am. So I will select everything, ma'am. Everything and
Yeah. Just do a select all.
Ma'am, is there any select all option?
Actually, no.
Because it's
Yeah, that must be enough. Rest of them can be left out.
now I need to click on download now and install after this.
Correct. Yeah. See, checking internet connectivity, it is saying. Can you scroll up? Socket timeout. It's not able to download, Suvit. Okay. Suvit, what we shall do is, you have to try doing this off the Zoom meeting. Because Zoom meeting itself kind of takes a lot of bandwidth, right?
Actually, I'm using two mobiles, ma'am. For Zoom meeting one, and for the laptop thing, I was using my father's mobile hotspot.
Okay, the hotspot.
Hotspots.
See, because if you can see, they are getting downloaded now. It was a network issue. You can see?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. So you have to try doing that, and you have to restart your system.
For some, it has given failure, ma'am, direct. It's okay for this one, download successful, it will be activated during the next boot, but for some, it's given failures.
Can you open the Gradle one? Details?
Okay, ma'am, Gradle details.
Scroll down. Looks like you already have them.
Ma'am, I already had.
Okay, let's do one thing. Can you go back to your Manage Jenkins dashboard and Manage Jenkins? Manage Jenkins. Again, we want to go to Manage Plugins. Go there. Can we go to install tab? Search for Gradle there.
Fail to load the plugins.
Correct. They are installed, but they are not able to get loaded. Yeah, you have to restart. You try restarting and check. Suvit.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, now I need to restart, ma'am. Like, restart once no jobs are running.
Yeah, anyways, no jobs are running, right? We haven't created any, so you can just restart it.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, when I'm trying to I typed startup.bat, ma'am. There is environment variables are not defined.
Oh, you don't have your Java home and the other paths set? Is your Java home path set?
Yes, ma'am. Java home or neither or JRE home.
It should be Java home. And is it set to JDK 11?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's see your error once Suvit's restart is done. Suvit, you have to log in with your user now, the one that you created. So, Suvit, can you go to the install tab now? Check for Gradle. Okay, it's installed. No?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So it's sorted. Can you go to the dashboard?
Dashboard.
Manage Jenkins. Great. You don't have the errors anymore.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Great, that works. Saikiran, you can go ahead and share your screen. Suvit, you might stop sharing now.
Ma'am, I can't share the screen, ma'am.
Oh. Can you paste a screenshot of the error you are seeing?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, that will help. Suvit, that solves your problem, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great.
Ma'am, now what I should do, ma'am?
Yeah, we will go ahead now. But I'm still waiting for Saikiran to get his issue sorted.
Ma'am, how should I share the pic in Zoom chat?
Kiran, wait. The one you have sent to me, right? Okay, let me share that. Ma'am, could you see my screen right?
I can, yeah.
Okay. So this is the Kiran's.
So the Java home is not set up. No, that's the problem.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Kiran, can you go to the environmental variables and see the Java home?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, even on my system, the Java home is set to 14.
No. Yeah, that is fine. But the Java home path should be set because Tomcat tries to take Java home path from the environmental variables.
Okay, then it's fine.
Any of the versions, but you should have a JDK. I mean, a Java home variable set.
Okay.
I doubt if Kiran has that.
Okay, ma'am.
I couldn't see that.
That's the issue now.
What should I do, ma'am?
Just add a new Java home variable. Okay, Prashant, can you show that to him as we did yesterday?
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
Kiran, just look at Prashant's screen and just do it. And then your issue will be solved.
Kiran.
Under the system variables, and this is what you have to be doing.
Should I click on new?
Yes. If you don't have one, you should add a new one. And
variable name?
JDK path.
Java home. Just that I have like.
Okay. Java home.
Java underscore home.
Variable value?
Value.
Must be the location where you have your JDK.
So path, ma'am.
Correct. You cannot see Prashant's screen?
I can see.
Okay, yeah. So that's the same thing, but give the path wherein you have your JDK installed.
Okay, ma'am.
Great. Suvit, you can download any latest versions, maybe 9, Tomcat 9. The link has been shared yesterday. Not sure if you have it handy. Does it answer your question, Suvit?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Kiran.
I given the variable name.
Okay, just go and okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now run the Apache startup.batch file again.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it's showing the same error again.
What is it? No. Close your CMD and reopen.
So should I follow the same step from beginning, ma'am?
No, just close your CMD, open your CMD, go to that particular Apache bin path, and then the startup.bat file. So I have 23 participants today. So with the sessions that we had so far, what is that you guys feel about the sessions? They are informative, or are you expecting anything more? Is it like this? The sessions are faster, or there is something that you're not able to understand? Can I hear some feedback from you guys? Meanwhile.
Yes, ma'am. The sessions are really good, and when we go much deeper into the sessions, we can get even more practice. Ma'am, and are we going to do any project using this Jenkins?
Basically, workshop is supposed to be held until Sunday, but my plan was, and that was the reason I have been asking every one of you to have Jenkins on your system.
Okay.
But once that we get through the pipelines and the stuff, maybe by tomorrow and day after, I wanted all of you to use a single repository and develop something and then deploy on Jenkins machine. But see, on and off, what I see is that the number of people joining one day aren't available the other day. So let's see how it turns out. But yeah, I will cover what is supposed to be covered as part of the workshop. And what I would do is I will give you a small kind of project or something before we end up with these sessions, so that you guys can have an idea, of how we can do things, or a brief idea of how to develop a very smaller standalone application and deploy it on Jenkins. But for now, maybe we will do some, very simple programming and then just deploy it onto the Jenkins server. That's my plan. Let's see how it goes.
Okay, ma'am. Fine.
But Prashant,
Ma'am, I'll do it after.
Yes.
Ma'am, I'll do it after the Zoom meeting is completed. You can continue.
You having any issue?
Yes, ma'am.
What is that?
Ma'am, the same error again. Maybe I'm doing somewhere wrong.
Okay, Prashant, can you get in touch with Sakiran?
Yeah, ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
You guys get that sorted after the call. If it still persists, guys, take some time out tomorrow, in the beginning of the session itself, so that we can get this thing sorted.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Able to figure it out today.
Tomcat also, we need to have a Java virtual machine JDK 11.
For Tomcat?
For Tomcat server, it's asking Java.
No. Not necessarily so.
So we can select JDK 15.0, like anything.
Yes. Java home, you can set the latest Java version that you guys are using.
For Jenkins only, we need to use Java JDK 11.
8 or 11, yeah.
Okay.
During the installation. If your installation is successful, we don't even have to bother about it anymore.
Okay.
Does that make clear?
Okay.
Okay, great.
Ma'am, guess Kiran has not copied this WAR file into the Tomcat folder, I guess.
No, but then, hasn't he Kiran?
Ma'am, I've done that, ma'am.
No, he did. He's having some issue with the Java home path.
Okay, ma'am. We will look into it later.
Yeah. You guys, see, guys, always take these opportunities as, learning curves for you, because these are the smaller things that will let you think at a very broader level. Okay. And these things never go in vain. These Java home, these system variables, these path variables are going to travel along with you as long as you will be staying or surviving in the IT industry. These things are like the very basic fundamentals. Just like how we have the alphabets in our English language, A to Z. And these things, they belong that way, to have your system or laptops running and to have your basic development environment ready. So never hesitate to learn these things. Just like how Sakiran is encountering an error now. You guys sit and try to, kind of figure out what the issue is. Let me tell you, you guys will feel very happy at the end when you break down this issue and get it solved. That's how you feel at the end of it really feels kind of difficult or tough, something like this in the beginning. But when you keep on solving these things and get to learn so many things, you feel really excited about what you have been doing. So never lose opportunities like this to debug and understand things. This is something from my learning experiences. So and hence I am sharing with you all. Great. Shall we go ahead then?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Great. Now let's do the, okay, I just heard from Prashant. Anybody else who wants to share any feedback? This feedback is like, this will help our sessions be more interactive, clear, and not lag in anything. If anybody else wants to share something. I'm just waiting for 30 seconds and moving on then.
Downloading Tomcat server, what I should do, ma'am?
You have to copy the Jenkins war file into the web app folder of Tomcat. This folder, yeah, the one that Prashant is pointing to. You have to be copying this war folder into the web apps folder of Jenkins. Then
Prashant, one second, come back, ma'am. Prashant.
Yeah, from here you have to copy. Just see the path again. Sweet.
Yeah. Wait a moment. Program files and Jenkins. Okay.
Jenkins. Copy this file, var file.
From Jenkins. Okay. Program files. Jenkins. Yeah, Jenkins RAR file, var file. Yeah.
Just copy it into the Tomcat file.
Copy it to the Tomcat. Oh, where is this Tomcat?
Tomcat web apps folder.
In downloads. Apache Tom. Bro, where did you get that file? That Apache Tomcat 950?
You have just downloaded it, right?
Yeah.
That's the one.
Okay, wait a moment. I need to extract it actually. Okay, it's extracted and where I need in web apps?
In web apps folder.
Okay.
Sweet, have you done?
Yeah. Just. Yeah, I'm done.
Then just go to the bin folder. Right click on there. Open terminal.
Yeah, I need to go to the bin folder.
Right click. Open in Windows terminal.
Open in Windows.
Okay, this option.
It's nothing but CMD. It's nothing but CMD, no?
Yes, it's CMD.
Okay. Yeah, I opened bin file.
Yes. Ma'am, what's the command? Startup.bat, right, ma'am?
Yeah. Just run the startup.bat. It's a batch file.
Okay.
Startup.bat.
The system got hanged. Sweet, is that running?
Once again, repeat the command. Startup.bat, bro.
Yes.
Startup.bat. Neither the Java home nor JRE home environment variable is defined. At least one of these environmental variables needs.
Ma'am, why everyone is getting this error?
Same error.
What? Not have to see, because I really assume that the Java path is not set for them. Earlier it was Cyclone who did that, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, should I need to share the
You guys have to try restarting your system.
Ma'am, I've set the path and it's showing that the JRE home and environment variable is not defined correctly.
JRE?
The environment variable is
Again,
not defined correctly.
can you give the value of the system variable that you just defined?
Yes, ma'am. Just
ma'am, actually I had another doubt, ma'am. JDK, should I need to set the path for JDK 11 also, ma'am? I had path for JDK 15.
No, not required.
Not required.
ma'am,
So
ma'am, under user section, ma'am, under downloads, /JDK 11.0.12 Windows 64 bin.
Can you share your screen, Cyclone? Since you're not seeing Suvit's screen, because he's also facing the same error, and then maybe you'll be able to sort it out.
Okay.
Great.
Could you see my screen? Yeah.
I'm able to, yeah. Can you go to your system variables?
System variables. Okay.
Environmental variables. I don't see your Java home. I don't see it.
Path, yeah.
Don't edit that. Add a new one.
Already I'm having Java path. JDK.
There's no Java home. No, there's no Java home system variable.
Yeah, ma'am. So, okay, I need to add.
Just close it. New.
Yeah.
Java, capitals.
Okay. Java.
Home.
Java home.
Underscore home.
Okay, underscore. Yeah.
Give the variable value wherever you have your Java file. Just do browse directory.
Browse directory.
See program files.
PC. Yes. Program files. Should I do Java 11?
Give 15. Give 15.
Give 15.
That's all. Do a
okay.
Okay. Do a okay. Then okay again. Close it. Close it. Go back to your CMD. Close the CMD. Open a new CMD window. Great. Startup.bat.
Startup.bat.
See, it's done.
Yeah.
Cyclone, that must be the same issue with you. Cyclone, can you try doing the same and let me know? Suvit, you can close these CMDs now.
Okay, ma'am, I will close. Okay.
Great. Cyclone, are you with us in the call? Suvit has forgotten he's not alone.
Ma'am, I forgot it off my mic.
That's fine. That's fine. Things like this happen and it's not an issue. Saikiran, are you with us? And Suvit, I understand your excitement. It's because your Tomcat is running, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Saikiran, are you with us?
Yes, ma'am, he's joining them. He's
Okay.
there.
Anyways, Prashant and Suvit, I think you guys can help him because you now know what the issue is. Suvit, you can help him better.
Oh, okay, ma'am. I will, ma'am.
Okay. So you guys should be saying tomorrow that it's sorted. So shall we continue?
Yeah, ma'am, sure.
Okay. Prashant, can we have your screen share, please?
Yes, yes.
Anybody else who has any doubts? Guys, I'm trying my best to, figure out and solve the queries that I'm having from the participants. But until and unless you open up and ask me, I would not be able to help you. So I hope you understand that. And I'm also, trying out to solve everybody's issues who's coming up and asking me. So it's up to you if you have anything to ask me. Okay. Thank you. So Saikiran, let's go ahead. So today I want to finish up how do we do the Maven configuration in the GitHub configuration, not Maven. Before Maven, let's have the GitHub configuration done. Okay.
Okay.
So now go to manage Jenkins,
Yes, ma'am.
right? WSDT reverse swap. What is that? Can you scroll down and go to the plugins, manage plugins thing?
This one, ma'am?
Yeah, correct.
Yeah, okay.
Right. So can you go to the install?
Okay, ma'am.
Can you search for Git?
Okay.
Right. So we have all the GitHub plugins installed, right? Because it is showing under the install tab. It means that the plugins for GitHub are all installed with your Jenkins server. So now they're ready to use. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Great. Anybody who has not understood what I just spoke?
We got it, ma'am.
Okay, great. Now you can create a new job. Let's do create a new job. You have something like create a job on the screen itself, right?
Oh, okay, ma'am.
I mean, that's also a way. It's the same thing, but it's like you need not have to go to the main menu options. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
You can enter any name here. Maybe say my first Jenkins job, something like that.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Is it fine?
Yeah. Can you scroll down
Yes, ma'am.
and do a OK?
Okay button is not available, ma'am.
Is it not? Okay. Yeah. Just select something. Freestyle, a pipeline, something like that. Just do a freestyle selection. Freestyle.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Do a
Yes.
OK. Right. It's getting created. Okay. Yeah. It's getting loaded. Wait for a while. Right. So now we have created a new freestyle project. Okay. So now the project is created and it's giving us the description of the project that we created. Okay. Now, if you can look at, there are several options: discard old builds, GitHub project. This build requires lockable resource. So when we have some real-time examples or when we have some real-time projects, there will be a lot of settings that we would be doing here. Like if you see the first one, as I said, each time a new code comes into your GitHub repository, there will be a new build. So when you check the first option, discard old builds, each time it is creating a new build, it will remove the old build from the Jenkins server. So there are n number of options like that for us to do the setup. But now, if you scroll down, can you go to the second tab, source code management? Is the same as what you, yeah, correct. So now that you're in the source code management section, you can see the tab highlighted. What are the two options you can see there?
And the gate.
Right. So when you're doing none, there's no point, right? If you don't have any source code management, it's like only one guy can send in the code and the other one, whoever brings in new code, will override the previous code. So now what we are trying to do, we are trying to do the Git setup on Jenkins. So I want you to select Git option.
Okay, ma'am.
Right? Have you selected?
Yes, ma'am. It's asking for a
What is
repository.
it asking? It's asking for a repository URL. Okay. Does anybody by chance have any GitHub repository?
Yes, ma'am. We do have.
Okay, that sounds great. Can we have the URL?
Yes, ma'am.
So what was the purpose you have been using GitHub, Prashant?
For just storing my small projects, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah, this one.
Can you go to your repositories?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you clone any of them? Can you any of them?
Yes, ma'am. Sure. Okay. Okay. Yes, this one is better.
Great.
Yes, ma'am. Have pasted.
Do you want to add the credentials?
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
You have to add, right?
You have to. Okay. What do all these, ma'am?
But this is your own local server, right? So just skip it. Just close this off.
Okay.
Do a cancel because it's on your local server, right? But normally when we do the Jenkins setup server on a particular server, like any Amazon server or anything, we would be giving them the required.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Right. So can you click on add repository?
Okay, ma'am.
Great. You need not have to add because you have already added. I am just trying to show whenever someone wants to add one more repository, something like that, they can do this here. Okay.
Okay.
You can have more than one or two repositories. So that's the reason. You can just close it over here.
Okay. And
can we do save, Prashant?
okay, ma'am.
So now we have configured the Git repository for our freestyle project that we just created in Jenkins. Okay.
Okay.
So your Jenkins project always fetches the code from that particular repository. Do you guys understand that now?
Oh, okay, ma'am.
On my first Jenkins project, Prashant, left top.
Ma'am, can you see?
Yes, yeah.
Okay.
Can you go to the configure option now? There.
Okay, ma'am.
So you can see what? The GitHub being configured here. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So whenever you want to change any configurations, you have to select your project and go to the configure tab and then do the changes. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Great. You go back to your configuration again.
Okay, ma'am.
Now what we shall do is, okay. Anyways, we have had this. Okay. Before that, I will tell you something. Do you have Maven installed in your laptop, Prashant?
No, ma'am. Shall I do it download now?
Yeah, you have to download and then just have it on your machine. Maybe
Okay.
tomorrow because it's getting late already, right? So, are you connected to Wi-Fi?
Yes, ma'am.
Then maybe you can do it
Okay, okay, ma'am.
fast.
Which one do I need to? Yes, it is.
Which version are you using?
Version in the sense Java, ma'am, or
Maven.
Maven? I haven't downloaded it before, ma'am. Now I have to download it.
Oh, okay.
But I'm checking for the which one I have to.
You go for 3.6.1.
Where it is, ma'am?
Okay, 3.8.4 is the latest one.
Okay.
Click on that.
First one, ma'am.
Zip would go. Yeah. Go to that folder. Copy. Just extract. Extract it to your program files folder. Okay, that's fine. You can copy it from here to there.
Okay. Shall I copy it to the program files, ma'am?
Yeah, just have it there. You have it here now.
Okay, ma'am.
Great. So you have the Maven installed now, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now what you will be doing is go and create a Maven home environmental variable.
Okay. And variable name?
Maven underscore home. MAVEN.
Ma'am, capitals?
Yeah.
MAVEN. Underscore home.
Home. Correct. And go back to the folder. The path should be the folder that you just, that's all. No bin. That's all. Do one okay. Okay.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. It's done.
Okay. We just did, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Now let's check. 1 second.
Okay.
Can you go to your command prompt?
Yes, ma'am.
And run the command Java space -version. Great. Now you will run for Maven. Maven space -version. No, MVN. Maven is MVN. Just MVN.
Oh, okay.
Version. Maven is not recognized. Why? Can we go to your environmental variables?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, edit it. Edit.
Okay, ma'am.
I see that. Is there any extra space after?
No, ma'am. No spaces.
Is it 3.8.4?
Yes, ma'am. 3.8.4.
Can you browse the directory instead of copying it? Can you browse?
Okay, ma'am. Sure.
It will be Apache A, starts with A. Prashant.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Apache Maven, yeah.
The whole, ma'am.
No, you have to go for the second folder because you copied it, right? The extraction was not done written right. Do I okay?
Okay.
And okay?
Okay, ma'am.
In the path here, in the system variables path,
Ah, yes, ma'am. Here.
not there. In system variables.
This path. This one.
Edit it.
Okay, ma'am.
You have to add Maven here as well.
Okay. Browse it. Okay. Okay, ma'am. I'm done.
Okay, do an okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Great. You have to close this and reopen the CMD.
Still not, ma'am.
How come? No, in the path, have you done it until the bin folder?
Let me check it, ma'am. Not up to bin folder, ma'am.
No, not in the Maven home, in the path.
Oh, okay. No, ma'am. I have to add up till
bin. Yeah. In the path, you should give until bin.
Okay, ma'am. That's where I went wrong.
Bin. Why is your bin folder not having anything?
Seriously? Let me check it, ma'am. You may have, ma'am.
It's not showing up there. Okay, fine. I do an okay. Do an okay.
Okay. Yes, it's going.
Okay, great. Works now. Great, Suvit. Keep going. That boosts me up if people are doing something simultaneously. Okay, great. So we are done with the we have Maven now, right? With us. Okay, now okay. Now Prashant, go back to the project that you created.
Okay, ma'am.
Go to the dashboard. Manage Jenkins.
Yes.
Global tool configuration. Add JDK.
Name.
Yeah, just give JDK.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Then you have to give. No, uncheck install automatically. Uncheck that.
Okay, ma'am.
Now give Java home path. Oh no, there is already. Okay, wait. Can you go
Okay.
dashboard?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you click? Okay, list of JDKs installed on the system. Is that not enabled? List of JDKs installed on this system. Is it a link?
Where, ma'am?
There is below the add JDK button. There is another link, right?
List of JDK. No, ma'am.
Okay. Can you click on install automatically once?
Okay, ma'am.
1 second. Okay. Just uncheck that. Just uncheck that and give your JDK path.
Okay, ma'am.
Give 11, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Only up till here or pin?
No. Until your JDK must be enough.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, do a save.
Yeah, ma'am. Done.
Saved?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Global tool configuration.
Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry, I didn't get you.
I'm saying scroll down.
Okay, okay.
Okay, now here we have scroll down.
Okay,
Now add Maven.
okay.
Give it a name, any name, Maven 3.8, something like that.
Okay, ma'am.
Then give Maven home. Uncheck the install automatically
Oh, yeah.
and give it from your system. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Save.
Save, yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, great. Now can you go back to your dashboard? Can we do a new item? And this time, can we create a Maven project since we have configured Maven?
Okay, ma'am. New item?
Yeah.
Okay.
Give some name and you can select a Maven project this time.
Okay, ma'am. Crystal project, right, ma'am?
No. You have to you scroll down. You can see Maven project also. You're not able to see?
No, ma'am. Crystal multi-branch organization for copy from.
Ma'am, but I got Maven project.
You got, right?
Yes, ma'am, I got Maven project.
You have to just refresh your Jenkins. So with yes, you can create a Maven project now.
Ma'am, why I am not getting.
I'm seeing that. I can see that. Can you go back to dashboard?
Yeah, ma'am.
Can you create a new item?
Yeah, ma'am.
Why can't you see? So with you can see it, right?
Yes, ma'am, I can see it, ma'am. Ma'am, should I share the screen?
Yeah. If you can, please. Yeah, this is how it has to be. Prashant, can you restart your Jenkins once again?
Okay, ma'am.
See if the Maven has been set or no properly.
Okay, ma'am. Let me check.
Yeah, you can create it with give any name and select the Maven project and do an OK. Great. Can you go to source code management? You should be configuring your Git details here. Okay.
Ma'am, should I click on save?
Do you have your Git repo?
Yes, ma'am. I already added one.
Okay, great. Yeah, do a save. Now go to build triggers section of the project. You can do a configure. You can go to configure. Build triggers. So here, one second. Poll SCM GitHub hook. So these are all the different things that we can, the different options that we can give. Just go to the pre-steps. Right? So here you have to give the pom.xml. It's already there. So in the goals and options, just write as clean install. So each time there is a build, it has to clean install. It has to do a Maven clean install. Clean space install.
And should I save?
And do a save. Prashant, can you see? Were you able to see now?
No, ma'am. I'm just checking the possibilities.
No worries. Just try to reconfigure your Maven on Jenkins.
Yeah.
Do it. Go to global tool configuration and then do your Maven settings there. Add Maven. Okay. So guys, we have seen how do we add the GitHub setup and Maven setup to our Jenkins projects now, today. And we have also seen how to create a project, a freestyle project and a Maven project. So tomorrow we will start and go ahead with creating pipelines and the other stuff. Okay, the complete configuration and then also create a pipeline tomorrow. Okay. Do you guys understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. So if you have any doubts from everything that we did today, you guys can have the questionnaire in the beginning of the session tomorrow, followed by the next topics of the. Does that sound good for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
great.
how do I just check the plugin of Maven, ma'am?
Okay. Here, go to manage Jenkins on the dashboard.
Okay, let me start sharing the screen better. Manage Jenkins.
Correct.
Manage plugins. Okay.
Install.
Okay. That's where I went wrong.
Okay. Suvit, can you check if you have your plugin there? Select the first one and the fifth one, I think.
Which plugin, ma'am?
The Maven plugin. Do you have it in your installed plugins list? No, the Python integration, Prashant.
I had, ma'am. Maven integration plugin.
You have, right?
15.1. Yes, ma'am.
Prashant, remove Cobertura. It's not required.
Okay.
Now do it. Install without restart. Do install without restart.
Okay, ma'am.
Great. So now you will be able to. So others, any doubts?
Yes, everyone is fine, ma'am.
Okay. So Prashant, since you know what has to be done, I think you can go ahead and do.
Yes, ma'am, I can do it.
And whatever problems you guys have, you guys can sit and sort out and see if you can get them sorted. Otherwise, we will discuss about them in the first hours of the session tomorrow. Is that fine for everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Thanks, guys. Dropping off for today then. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.